finally warmed up. I brought Fern just a plain water bottle today for extra warmth. Since it was so cold yesterday, I just wanted to give her a warm water bottle this morning, because she was pretty cold yesterday morning. You gonna try to eat Bonnie? Good morning, Ember. Good morning, buddy. How you doing this morning? Huh? You hungry? Oh yeah? Where'd the babies end up? Oh, there's Angel. Oh, there's Autumn. There they are. Guys, want food? You want food? Huh? Oh, hello, Fern. Hello, Fern. I hope the lighting's good. I'm gonna get some eggs for the pigs. Everest. got a bunch of bad eggs given to us to feed to our pigs. So Ember's climbing up the fence over here on intention. Well, I gotta go. Bye everybody. Bye Ember. Bye. Bye-bye.